You guys, welcome back. Today I'm making popcorn chicken. Its crispy, puffy batter makes it an addicting treat, great to snack on like popcorn. Pair it with a cold drink. Let's get started. For aromatics, Thai basil that I'll use later. And if you have 5-spice powder, skip ahead. I didn't, so I made it from scratch. I have cinnamon powder, black cardamom, star anise, Sichuan peppercorn, also black and white peppercorn, cloves and cumin. Also have mandarin orange peels and ginger. On medium-low heat, dehydrate them as best as you can so they're easier to blend into a powder. Lots of warm, comforting spices here. Toast up the spices except the cinnamon powder until fragrant. Allow it to cool down a bit and blend it up into a powder. In goes the mandarin orange peel and ginger. In goes the cinnamon powder. This is an enhanced 5-spice powder. Traditionally, dark chicken meat is used, but all I have are the breasts, which also works great. Cut into bite-sized cubes. Minced garlic. 5-spice powder, if you're using store-bought, 1.5 tablespoons is fine. I'm using 2 here. Season with granulated chicken flavor soup base mix. Aged soy sauce. Shaoxing cooking wine. One egg and rice flour. Mix well. And marinate for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, let's get ready to fry them. Bring enough vegetable oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius. We'll need tapioca starch. Coat each piece of chicken into the tapioca starch while pressing it in. Gently place them into the heated oil. Don't overcrowd them. Fry in batches if you need to. Fry until they're golden like this. Scoop them out to drain. And for an important step, fry all of them together a second time. This will create a crispier batter that stays crispier longer. Add in the Thai basil and fry until crispy and until the chicken has developed a deeper golden color. The Thai basil adds a nice aroma. And they're done. Here we have it, crispy popcorn chicken with warm and comforting spices, savory and aromatic. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please hit that like button to show some love, and I'll see you all in the next video. Be safe, everyone.